The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Good evening, everybody, and happy Monday. Right now, we are watching potential tropical cyclone 8. Now, don't expect this to become a tropical storm, but regardless, it is going to have some impacts that are very similar to that of a tropical depression or a tropical storm. Right now, you could see quite a bit of rainfall over parts of the Carolinas, with nearly 12 inches of rain reported in some areas along the coast. Now, the area with the greatest rainfall and the greatest severe threat right here, just east of Fayetteville. So as this system continues to move, we're going to see the widest rainfall about right there and then heading further to the northwest. As for us, however, not exactly expecting that much rain for us. So let's go over it right now. Our cone of uncertainty, which right now really appearing that this is going to fizzle out and become just a system of low pressure by about Tuesday, could bring us about 3 inches of rain in parts of Roanoke. Some areas maybe locally more, some areas locally less, but that's widely what we're expecting. This is nowhere near what we saw with Tropical Storm and Hurricane Debbie. This system, it's just going to have a lot of moisture with it and lead to rounds of rain over the course of the next few days. So let's time it out for you with Futurecast. Again, by about overnight, that's when we're going to start to see heavy rain within our area, especially in parts of South Side, into the Roanoke Valley and the New River Valley. Thunderstorm going to be very low risk for storms, but we could see a few rumbles of thunder along the Carolina coast, the North Carolina-Virginia border, where we could see a few rumbles of thunder just due to the fact there's so much energy in the atmosphere over that part of the area. Everywhere else, thinking just rain. Moderate to heavy rainfall east of the Blue Ridge. We could see some gusty winds as well. So that's going to be something to keep in mind. Potential deck furniture blowing over, potentially knocking over trees and power lines. So just keep it in mind depending on what's around you and have a plan in case your power goes out. Now, previously dry conditions, it's going to limit the flood risk across the state of Virginia just due to the fact we've been in a drought. So this rainfall is actually going to be pretty beneficial for us just due to those drought conditions. Over the next few days, though, you could see we really start to decrease our rain chances by about Friday and into Saturday. A lot of it's just going to linger in the area over the next few days with cooler temperatures in the 70s. But widespread cloud cover and widespread rain. So you're going to want to be sure you have your umbrella handy for the course of this week. Now, as we take a look at our 7-day forecast, you can see that we do have pretty good temperatures here for the next few days. 74 today, 71 Tuesday. Again, Tuesday's when we're expecting the most widespread rain from this system. Just really going to be a rainmaker. And as we head later on throughout this week, cooling down, temperatures in the 70s for the Roanoke Valley. Then by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday, we'll see temperatures sit there about the mid to upper 70s. So feeling very nice, very fall-like as we head later on the week. But keep the umbrellas handy because this week it's certainly going to be a wet week ahead. Rachel?